Hey Toffees! Winter is here! I'm TZ and I'm back with another DIY video for you. Today we will be making winter coats for Elsa and Anna. So let's go crafting! Go crafting! To make these winter coats, you will need felt, scissors and of course, Elsa and Anna. I will start by cutting a rectangle piece. I am using two shades of blue. The light one for Elsa and the dark one, of course, for Anna. You can measure the rectangle around your doll. Now let's take some measurements. Easy peasy. These winter coats are the easiest. Just follow along and you'll see what I'm talking about. I will be repeating the same process for Anna. Now that the coats are ready, let's try them on. Oh, so pretty! I love this look for Anna. She really looks like a princess. Let's try on the other one. Here we go. It fits and it's the perfect color. They look spectacular! Guys, I love this look on them. If you feel the same way, like my video. TZ signing off. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.